Phrasal verb.
Back away,
Meaning.
retreat or go backwards.
Example.
The crowd backed away when the man pulled a knife.
Back down.
Retract or withdraw your position or proposal in an argument.
She refused to back down and was fired.
Back into.
Enter a parking area in reverse gear.
He prefers to back his car into the garage. Back off.
Retreat.
The police told the protesters to back off.
Back out.
Fail to keep an arrangement or promise.
He backed out 2 days before the holiday, so we gave the ticket to his sister.
Back out of.
Fail to keep an agreement, arrangement.
She backed out of the agreement at the last minute.
Back out of.
Exit a parking area in reverse gear.
She backed the rolls out of its parking space.
Back up.
Make a copy of computer data.
You should always back up important files and documents so that you won't lose all your work if something goes wrong with the hardware.
Back up.
Support.
The rest of the staff backed her UP when she complained about working conditions.
Back up.
Drive a vehicle backwards.
Tom backed up without looking and ran over his laptop.
Bag out.
Criticize.
Don't bag out Australian English.
Bail out.
Save, rescue.
The government had to bail out the airline because it was losing so much money.
Bail out.
Remove water from something that is flooded.
The boat was leaking, so they had to bail it out.
Bail out.
Jump out of a plane because it is going to crash.
The pilot bailed out when he saw that the engines had failed.
Bail out of.
Pay a bond to release someone from jail.
I must bail my drunken brother out of jail.
Bail out on.
Stop supporting someone when they are in trouble.
Everybody bailed out on him when the scandal broke.
Bail up.
Talk to someone and delay them. I was late because he bailed me up on the phone and wouldn't shut up.
Bail up.
Rob someone at gunpoint.
He was bailed up by a couple of muggers as he came out of the bank.
Ball up.
Confuse or make things complicated.
The new project has balled me up. I have no idea what to do.
Ball up.
Roll or form into a round shape.
He balled up his napkin when he had finished eating.
Balls up.
Spoil, ruin.
He ballsed the presentation up.
Bang about.
Move in a place making a lot of noise.
He's banging about in the kitchen.
Bang around.
Move in a place making a lot of noise.
I can hear him banging about upstairs.
Bang on.
Talk at great length.
He banged on for half an hour but no one was listening.
Bang on about.
Keep talking about something.
He's always banging on about football.
Bang out.
Play a musical instrument loudly.
She banged the tune out on the piano.
Bang up.
Put someone in prison.
The judge banged him up for 8 years.
Bang up.
Damage badly.
He banged his car up last night.
Bank on.
Count or rely on.
I'm banking on your help. I can't do it alone.
Bargain down.
Persuade someone to drop the price of something they're selling.
I bargained her down to half what she originally wanted.
Bargain for.
Expect something to happen, usually negative.
I hadn't bargained for so many people coming.
Bargain on.
Expect something to happen, usually negative.
I hadn't bargained on him coming.
Barge in.
Enter a place and interrupt.
He keeps barging in and asking stupid questions when I'm trying to work.
Barge into.
Enter a place and interrupt people rudely.
They barged into my office without knocking and started talking even though I was on the phone.
Bash about.
Mistreat physically.
If you bash your monitor about like that, it won't last long.
Bash in.
Break, damage or injure by hitting.
The burglars bashed the door in to enter the house.
Bash out.
Write something quickly without much preparation.
I bashed the essay out the night before I had to hand it in.
Bash out.
Break, damage or hurt by hitting.
They bashed him up in the fight in the pub last week and he had to go to hospital.
Bawl out.
Scold, shout at someone.
She bawled me out for coming home drunk.
Bawl out.
Scold.
She bawled Raj out for getting there late.
Bawl out.
Sing or shout unpleasantly loudly.
He bawled out our names at the top of his voice.
Be after.
Try to find or get.
The police are after him because of the theft.
Be along.
Arrive.
The next bus should be along in the next quarter of an hour or so.
Be away.
Be elsewhere, on holiday, etc.
She's away on business for 3 weeks.
Be cut out for.
Be suitable, have the necessary qualities.
She's not cut out for this kind of work.
Be cut up.
Be upset.
She was very cut up about coming second as she thought she deserved to win.
Be down.
Be depressed.
He's been down since his partner left him.
Be down.
Be reduced or less.
The firm's profits are down by 10% this quarter.
Be down on.
Have negative feelings towards someone.
After the argument, James is down on his boss.
Be down with.
Be ill.
Gull is down with some bug and is off work today.
Be fed up.
Be bored, upset or sick of something.
I am fed up of his complaints.
Be in.
Be at home or at work.
They are never in. I always get their answer phone.
Be in.
Be submitted, arrive.
The application form must be in by 3 p.m. on Friday.
Be in on.
Be involved in.
Susan was the only one who wasn't in on the plan.
Be not on.
Be unacceptable.
The way he's behaving is just not on.
Be off.
Be bad, off food.
This yogurt must be off, it smells foul.
Be off.
Depart, leave.
I'm off home, it's 5 o'clock.
Be on.
Be functioning, off machines.
The computer is on.
Be on.
Take place.
The show is on for the next 3 months.
Be on.
Take medication or drugs, especially when they affect the person badly.
He is on antidepressants and has become very difficult to please.
Be on.
Be at the top of one's game, performing very well.
He is really on right now, 3 goals in 5 minutes.
Be on about.
Mean, try to say.
I couldn't understand what he was on about, it made no sense.
Be on to.
Pursue, be aware of someone's true nature.
He's being very careful because he thinks the police are onto him.
Be out.
Be absent from a place.
She is out on a visit for the day.
Be out of.
Have no more left.
We're out of coffee, so I'll have to go and get some.
Be out to.
Attempt.
She is out to get him sacked because she hates him.
Be snowed under.
Have too much work.
We're completely snowed under at work because it's the end of the tax year.
Be taken aback.
Be shocked or surprised.
I was taken aback when I saw him because he's lost all his hair.
Be taken with.
Like something.
I was very taken with the performance, it was superb.
Be up.
Be out of bed.
She's not up yet.
Be up.
Have increased or risen.
The company's profits are up by 15%.
Be up.
When the time for something finishes or expires.
Time's up, please finish your drinks and leave.
Be up for.
Be enthusiastic about an upcoming event.
Are you up for the climb of Mount Blanc?
Be up to.
Be good enough.
He's not up to the job, get someone else.
Be up to.
Doing something naughty or wrong.
What are those kids up to?
Bear down on.
Move towards.
She spotted him on the other side of the room and bore down on him.
Bear on.
Influence, affect.
The judge's character may well bear on the final decision.
Bear out.
Confirm that something is correct.
Statistics bear out the government's positions on the issue.
Bear out.
Resist pressure.
How are you bearing up under the strain?
Bear up under.
Cope with something difficult or stressful.
He's bearing up under the pressure.
Bear with.
Be patient.
Please bear with me a moment while I finish this email.
Beat down.
Strong sunshine.
The sun was really beating down and we couldn't stay outdoors.
Beat down.
Get someone to lower the price of something.
I managed to beat him down to €50.
Beat out.
Narrowly win in competition.
The marathon runner barely beat out his rival at the tape.
Beat up.
Attack violently.
The mugger beat him up and stole his wallet.
Beaver away.
Work hard.
She's beavering away before her exams.
Beaver away at.
Work hard doing something.
I have to beaver away at it or else I will fail the course.
Bed down.
Sleep somewhere less comfortable than normal.
We had to bed down on the floor for the night.
Bed down.
Become established or successful over time.
The new government has found it hard to bed down, and become accepted.
Bed out.
Move a plant outside.
I bedded the plants out when the weather warmed up.
Beef up.
Make something stronger or more solid.
The company beefed up their case when they saw that the public wouldn't accept their first explanation of the accident.
Belong to.
Be a member.
He belongs to a secret society.
Belong to.
Be connected to a time, place, belief, thing, etc.
Their ideas belong to the 19th century, and seem old-fashioned now.
Belong with.
Be in the correct or appropriate location with other items.
Does this disc belong with those on the shelf?
Belt out.
Sing something loudly.
They belted out the national anthems before the game.
Belt up.
Be quiet.
She told the students to belt up because they were making so much noise.
Belt up.
Fasten your seatbelt.
I told the kids to belt up before I started the car.
Bend down.
Lower the top half of your body.
I bent down to pick it up off the floor.
Bend over.
Lower the top part of your body.
I bent over to do my shoes up.
Bend over backwards.
Do a lot to try to help or please someone.
I bent over backwards for them and they didn't even thank me.